What a pretty bird. What a pretty bird. Hey, can you say hello? Say hello, James. Very good. Hello. Yeah. Like up here? Can I pet you? Come on. Yeah. There you go. It's okay. It's hard to see through the camera, see you too. Sorry, Trigger. You're okay, though. Show me your colors. Show me your colors. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Let me get this adjusted just right. Can you give kisses? Yeah. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello, James. Come on. You being shy now? You're actually starting to like the camera a little bit better here. Yeah, show me all them feathers. Yeah, what a pretty bird, huh? Okay, turn around. Come on. Turn around. Come forward. Come on. Get him. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What a cute bird, huh? There we go. Now we got you in good. You're popping there. Yeah, can you raise your arm? Raise your wing. Yeah. Say hello. Come on, Trigger. Hey, say hello. Hello. Hello, James. Say hello, James. Come on, one more time, pretty bird. Can you whistle? Come on, whistle for me. All right. Let's try that for a practice run. I think that's pretty good. I think you're popping right out of there. Let's go in a little closer. Wow. There you go. Fluff up. Give me a whistle. Come on. Whistle, baby. Come on. Come on, whistle. Whistle. Oop. There we go. Wow. Okay. Speed makes a big difference. Give me kisses at least. Come on. What'd you do? Get your nail cut in your nose? No way. Quit picking your nose. Yeah. Cool. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye, Trigger. Come on, why are you not talking? Can you at least say hello? Come on, hello. Hello. Say hello, Trigger. Hey. Come on, baby. Say hello. Yeah. Can you wave bye-bye? Come on, you're not doing anything, you silly bird, but picking your nose. Yeah, there you go. Hello. All right. Let's see these cool. Come on, one more. Let's see if we can get you to pop out of the screen here. There you go. That is freaking awesome. Say bye-bye. Say hello one more time. Come on. Hello. Say hello. Hello, James. Say hello, James. All right, good enough. Thank you. Okay.